Sergeant Lieutenant Commander Langlun Kluanga, Director SW1RT, and Home Minister Zam Takpuke Sapdangate, Advisor to Chief Minister Putibi Say Lalwen Chumate, Kanimele, Lieutenant Colonel Lalming Tangate, Brigadier Aurora Te, Brigadier Puspender Te, Voina, kan veteran ho tele an chung kwa local ho zong song te in zawai in za na chibaile kum thar chibai kabuk choni when I hian he kan omna building he lock house tiania. Today we gather here together in a lock house which was built around 136 years ago. So it's an old building. It's not surprising that even the members of the Rhino youth have grown old. Colonel was more of an engineer rather than a soldier. He constructed this building, and after some time, the name has been changed into Gas Ras Hall. But I strongly feel that it should retain its original name because it is something unique. It is a heritage. So the government also may like to preserve as it is, as a heritage. So I think the original name should remain. And one thing more I would like to talk about Colonel Locke was on the left side of the main entrance of the Sun Rifle Parade Ground, you will find his memorial stone. The writings on his memorial stone is considered to be one of the most beautiful messages in the world. It was written in Latin language. It was written like this: see momentum, requires circumspice. The English meaning is, if you want to see his memoirs, look around. So if anybody just look around, one can see with his own eyes the memoirs of Colonel Locke. And he'll be remembered. He died in London. So the time of construction of all these buildings was somewhere in 1890s. India in independence, so like Han. Mama Gandhi so non-violence atia. Subhash Chandra Bose chuanin. Kan chaknain kan nor chok turani atia. Chuan Second World War khan Japan sarkar ne natang rualin Indian National Army adinani. Zalen na sual tu chini an oma enton tlak chu Subhash Chandra Bose an tharum thoin abeya ba Gandhi atenero aten non-violence in Anbeya. O in klang here any halmi alone, and choy mo ito nini. Kani Mizoram so ni Thailand. Aram nuay lampo khan. Laya tarum thololo ti Paul Gandhi ang Paul takatsu kanda thale du mayo mangekati. India so nampuyan niya an lungruala an thoklang an izatan ma voin thlengin Subhash Chandra Bose hi India ramom chung thengil an ngai dong lo ni chuda chuan mizo tlangwalte an lo tel ve ni Japan do na khan India ram veng him turian pudar thomate puro thuang mate adang te ponomin karing ka chiang lo pudar thomate thian don hian sang ka zakwa somli le pathum zun in ya khan Singapore INA an join ni chuan pudar thom hi British Hovin Ramle Nam Patsan Tuti in and Mana Zela Atanga Sankas Kosamile Paruga Khan Pu Mahatma Gandhi Tele Jawaharlal Nehru Te Ngin Nain Ani Malak Nain Lung in the Tragin Chwa Anile Ane India Ram Veng him tu Yan Mizo Tehi Mana Kan Lo Trang Tonin. So what I'm talking about is the Mizoram and the people of Mizoram had been defender of this country in the Second World War. We pushed out the Japanese from our soil. They could not get through Mizoram. And there were volunteers in each villages. Their contribution was so high. And there were some members who joined the INA, led by Chandra Bose. And in the peripheral area of Mizoram, we have seen some Japanese soldiers, and one aeroplane was shot down somewhere in the border, in the adjacent area of Myanmar. They could not get through Mizoram because the resistance was so strong. The whole population, the civilians and the volunteers and the soldiers of this INA, all these combined forces was too strong that the Japanese forces could not crack them down. I'm proudly saying this because Mizoram had a lot of commendable contribution into the protection of this country way back in the Second World War. This one, India lo independent Khan. India Independence Act 1947, the Parliament in Apasani. India Independence Act kanin chuan Pakistan chuan heng te hian telang. India chuan heng te hian telang. Ti khain ziak thlapani. India le Pakistan tel tur kha. Sa khobe sinan clear top ani Muslim le Hinduin. In ngay lo reng khan Indo khain tran hal rengot mai ni partition an om khan. Ta chuan Dominion of Pakistan le Dominion of India in ahuam lo hozong. I excluded area teka. Indian Independence Act in Zalen na peni. And do om turin. Chuchu Zalen na Mizoram su alai po kanan chang choi ve de khan yan. Zalen na pe andu le an independent nga. Andu le crown colony an la om zuenga ka sa thu thuni to engma ain ziak to lo. Zalen na pe topa khang zong zong raza kanti princely states kanti le kan mizolal te ho zong zong ne na British sarkarin thutlung treaties alo sign zong zong ka alaps ato anti top me man ruam han zui thei to lo alaps ne om to lo ti khani top maya amara chu khang ho Pakistan le India na huam lo ram te khan Pakistan emo India emo an join du chuan an nin an lo pombok chuan until ve theyang ti kha ain zia dan ania ta chuan India rama raja tam takin mani independent an thangani entinan Kashmir lalpa chuanin ama lal independent adwa ami puiten Pakistan ben du thunga Nizam of Hyderabad chuan katilai khan Hyderabad lalpa kha khowela mi house ber te zinga chiarania puita kani independent na declare masen ero ta khan an oilo police force mangin jan khatil thuwa anjuk lamai ni chutiangin ut te po an lalpa in independent puanga tiang khan India rama princely states ho zarukvel don lai khan kha Independence Act provision be chan khan zalen na an puang ni naga te poin an puang ani ma sengin atua ma khang lo tling lo keini aya chak sok tek sipai sangtel singtel nei te po kha tu ma kha aranga om kha India sarkar independent tir khang aphal reng lova at su sat fai ve kani so bang suanin du than na kan nei han ti hi thu ania ziak ania atakin tu man ka du than na kha kan mang thei lovani khami tuma khan indona chuaka ti sentam tak achuak ta ni chuan sa kha zakwa som ruk pania Chinese war lo chuak le a ti sen aluang le a sang kha zakwa som ruk panga Pakistan war alo om le a kanindo le a sang kwa som sari pakhata Bangladesh war alo om le a East Pakistan chu saknin Bangladesh ti alo ni ta katilaya pi Indira Gandhi na ti sual ni ka riat chu Bangladesh ka India ram state pakhata lori lut mai sala fel turania independent apek herta kha voina chuan USA baby ni dai to ni kan thenom kan mel ma chang le to ni chuan sang kha zakwa som kwa le pasari animo kha Kargil indo na kha Pakistan den bok alo om le a hen zong song a hian India sipai huai sen nun na cham tak kan san ve a kan mizo te po kan san ve ni ti chuanin khang kara khan voina hian heng indo na te kara dam kho chuak veteran te pension nuwa po khotlang ta na mi poi mo tak tak le tangkai tak tak la ni zui te tuna hian in oma voina in zinga kan om ve hi anuam ka te ka chuak le bem choni tin hei ke mani sarkar a ngei khatiang ex servicemen kha pani kan ne ya kan thian ang kan puti bi sia le lieutenant colonel Clement ate kan ne ya MLA lo ni to zinga te po engemo sat ex servicemen hi kan lo nei to thina ni tichuan mizo thalai te atam theyang per sipaya lu tir kan dua central sarkar thu nei tu te na recruitment ron nei turin kan di la chuan army a hian engemaw zat hei an la tarenga alom oma BSF a khan zathum mizo tlangwal zathum milak sakvero kan tia an phal le maya amaro chu a han ti kha avoi khanna khanin an du khop khan mulowani mizo tlangwal te hi helaya ti tur nei mang si lo kha BSF an lu dur turang chu kan ti lain an du khop khan mulai the reng lo ni kolai lendo na kanu pocket money ti le ringot thin si te BSF ate khan an trang sela that don ne e kanan beinon le tu na chuan an fill up thei ti nin ka ria ti chuan territorial army battalion kan zuk dil le prime minister kan be home minister kan be defense minister kan be chief of army staff tenen ti chuan territorial army chumin on pele ta battalion khaturania azad ve meichia azad ve mi pa turang vel ania hei kan ta leo turani border duty tur anni dona abul tranan recruitment ti tur staff anno chawa hei tuna hian hemi lua ho min ron dila arwari ngot chuanin thil sual ti nan an mang box sia nin an ma box sia ti in kan lua ho tir riani chuan hemi recruitment hi an kal choringa tin British army mi angemaw sat an lut bok to British army mizo tlangwal an lut hi defense ministry atangin lekha kan donga enga tiga British army in thalai ten lutir min ron ti deva tesu Commonwealth ram kan niya Commonwealth ram ina thutlung kan nei na noya an kalmai ni kai ni chaw ni lo Nepali te phei chu a battalion te lan la niya British army ya ei chu a kalran pa ngai on course kha aron zo zel ani maya chu tiang ngai huat tur ani love kan tia kan in thilfi a animo anti a chuanin territorial army kan lakna hian lieutenant colonel lalming thang hi atangkai em a in charge sa kan dani committee kan dina chuna chuna chairman ania ani hian a tru song a boy puya tuna khian champhai lama kan da lungleya kan da boka a battalion headquarter tur hi a free amin pedu hi kan mu treu maya chung te po chu kan la nei chho tura ngai ilangin tin sainik school hi ching chi pa kan neya ka han tlo to Mizoram sarkar hianin avai mel setelin kan tran pui ranga kumtin hian ki school ki sikul tha ania mani khan thathum vel liam ton karing an principal mang ang hi a local ani ai zola hey seat all atam lutuk Mizoram nau panglu tan tlem lutuk he mi aya hian Mizoram pon nau pangkalak luangai dona a thalo khopang aron tiani a enga tinge moni tiang zir na tha te kan ngai nat lo o ka te tun main ke ni hun a chuanin English medium school te om ti kal la thelo re na so te chung chuan ziti tu pakhat lek nei ten private school ate India ram in el na rang army a civil service a kan lut nem em ani voina facilities zong alom to a kan ban phak kan nep ta riau maya sainik school ate po kan lut thadu tlat talo ma thatte reng ne EMRS ate po kan lut thadu tlat lo mai ni apoi khop mai he chu wang chuanin interview ate po khanin enrollment drive ta kan nei ta hiala then kadin chief minister soitan em te chuanin ate lutuk lo mo antia te ka ti lo achan chu engi kan ramta na thil tha ni nu le paten awareness kan nei anga ya thalai na awareness an nei anga ya kan ngai poi mo tur ni kan lu tur ani katia kan han ti kha chuanin an jom ve khop mai kha voina po hian veteran ho kan nia kan fa te kan tu te hi sainik school sing chi pa khian ilu ti rangu athania mi jet fighter laman lo po khilai khianin da kan tumani khatiang khan ti phui sui chho zel kan tuma tin an pass percentage sport ra state khata hian sainik school i pakhat ba om thiang lova state pani khat pani nei anom zeu chawani chu wang chuan nei bel ngot po kha harsa kan nei sa kan lualum angai ani the central sarkar po hian veteran ho hi angai sang em mai chuwa am thatna tam tak in neya sainik welfare and resettlement noi in siaklut ex-servicemen hi mi sang ruk za somsari le widows le dependent hituna hian sang hi zali somre pathum family pension ringot po hi kami khainoma family pension ringot po hianin tun financial year chung hianin crores a somriat inipte alut toni tin tuna sipai trang te an lo hi tha heng hovina an in thewa poisa anon thon hona hi alue me maya keima riat ngeya po kan thian te an fapa asam resmen asam rifle khatianga trangin poisa ron thona wanga insa te po ka riani chuwang chuanin sumla lut tu kan nia ten kum kal liam ta financial year liam ta chung khan sipai bang pension lavelo kum somruk panga chin chung lam te tan peniri grant tra cheng nuai somli le pakwa point pali vel kan dil chuaka sipai nu pui mei thai te injirna vocational training atan cheng nuai ni point pangale sipai bang fanu te pasal nei tran puinan cheng nuai li pek chu fel ani to boka tin sipai country kal tlangin man tlom zokin bungrua chi rang ba ka motor thenga in le theita te hi kan lom pui tak zet chawani sipai huai sen choi moi na dong te na tun financial year kalaya hian cheng noi som paruk pek ani to a pek tur kan la nei belzel ani nom tin ex-servicemen contributory health scheme huang chunga a thlonen en kolna Mizoram Medical College Falcon Baka Mizoram State Cancer Institute jema bok te po man thei alo ni tani Mizoram sarkar noi na lak na franga ex-servicemen te reservation pe in ramta nan thona te a choi moi mek zela Mizoram Gazette notification sang le som pakua in alo ti chwa to angin 5% reservation hi pek in ni Armed Forces veterans mani masial lofa ramta na theina song sang lo mangzo to tele nun na hial lan to kan sipai huai sente an chung le khatte in kara in pum khat na thazok din zelila Armed Forces Veteran Day po hi chutiang riru puchungang chuanin mangthin chunjom sel ilangin in na thoro pui tak tak riat tharle nani zalen na lutsiale ramral muang nei lutsia riat tharle nani ya te po kan mangdon nia he ni hi him taka kan man theina na mo phurtu Sainik Welfare and Resettlement Department le Home Department chunga lom thu kasoi boke kalome